Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna unbox this water pressure washer. I think I bought this last week. Let's see for how much, like for $100 with tax and everything. It's come out to be about 110 with free shipping. And this is the model number. Where's the model number? No, that's 1900 PSI. It's somewhere. Where is it?
What's the model number for?
So, if anything, I'll listen to the description sections part for you guys to take a look at it. But this one's made in China. And yeah, let's see what else. These are the stuff that will be including with it: the hose, the spray gun, and other stuff. I think I ordered like this one with either with the ending with the P or with the S. Supposedly the person who's shipping this out stating that the one that I ordered was out of stock and this is like a newer versions. And he said he'll just give it to me for, the same price. So and then I took it. So, and this is how it came in. I think the UPS guy, he just dropped it off and you can see like the damage there. Hopefully it doesn't go through the inside and make any damage to the equipment itself. But I'm gonna put this on a stand and I'm gonna unbox it. So right now my daughter is helping me with the recording. So here we are.
Dad, that's cool.
Is it cool? Make sure you record this section, okay?
Okay.
So the manual. This is probably the warranty card. It comes with it says here for Canada and the US, 2 years bumper to bumper warranty. And it sounds like a car.
A car?
Yeah, because bumper to bumper. So let's see. Lift this thing first. What's inside here?
Is that stuff heavy, Dad?
No, it's not really heavy. Probably the hose.
Hose? Don't we already have a hose?
Alright. So there it is.
Oh.
Ooh.
Looks like a gun.
Yeah, it looks like a gun.
Does it shoot people?
Does it shoot people?
Yeah, with
I
water.
don't know. I think this is the extensions. Take it all off. Over there.
This is taking kind of long.
I think it's gonna be long. Oh,
Ow.
This is the wheel.
Oh, it's a
We're
wheel?
gonna put the wheel together.
Oh, so it has a wheel?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Well, there's the wheel.
Đừng có move nhanh quá xong mở. Another one.
Another wheel.
Another wheel. Put this on the side for now.
Yellow hose.
Yellow hose.
It matches the color.
We're gonna wash the car later on today. Okay?
Okay,
So,
Dad.
what else? Okay, now I think I'm just gonna have to lift this whole thing.
What is that?
Ooh,
That's gigantic.
it is.
I wonder what
And-
it's for. Well, I wonder what
I don't know
those
what
tiny
this
pieces.
Is it a? I don't
What
know.
are those things?
I don't know.
Ugh.
Put it on the side first. What is this?
It looks like something.
I don't know. Put that in there. Put everything back in there. Okay.
Are you gonna build it now?
Donate?
Yeah.
No, I'm probably gonna put it together afterwards. So there you go. Take this.
Let's take a closer look.
Closer look. Alright, so if you can see, that's pretty much everything. There we go. So we have Okay. So I'm gonna put this together, and then probably afterwards, probably gonna do like a demo and then I can use this and try to wash my car, and eventually I'm thinking about using this to wash off my solar panel as well. So please stay tuned for that video. It's coming up.